Myself Bindu from BSc Chemistry Honor second year, electromagnetic spectrum topic for assessment, and this is also audio for visually impaired student. So let us discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light, which can be detected by the human eye, constitutes only a very few part of electromagnetic radiation. The full range of these radiation is indeed very large, and their wavelength vary from a very small fraction of a meter to many kilometers. The arrangement of entire range of electromagnetic radiation in increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequency, known as electromagnetic spectrum. The complete electromagnetic spectrum, along with common names to identify different range of wavelength as such as cosmic or gamma ray, X-ray, vacuum, ultraviolet, infrared, microwave or radio wave, etc. Of the complete electromagnetic spectrum, spectroscopic techniques are concerned primarily with radio frequency radiation (NMR), infrared radiation (IR), and ultraviolet visible radiations (UV). Principle of absorption spectroscopy. It is interesting to note that practically all the important spectroscopic methods used for structural analysis belong to the field of absorption spectroscopy, which studies the absorption of electromagnetic in relationship to molecular structure. When a beam of electromagnetic radiation is passed through a substance, the radiation may be either absorbed or transmitted depending upon the wavelength of the radiation and molecular structure of the substance. Absorption of radiation would naturally brings about an increase in the energy of the molecule, the energy gained being directly proportional to the frequency or inversely proportional to the wavelength of radiation. The increase in energy of a molecule may lead to electronic excitation, whereby electrons are raised to higher energy level. Alternatively, it may bring about an increase only in the vibrational or rotational energy of the molecule. Electronic excitation can be caused by only high energy radiation such as ultraviolet and visible radiation. On the other hand, vibrational and rotational energy level can be raised even by relatively low energy infrared radiation. A very important condition for a molecule to absorb electromagnetic radiation is that the energy of a photon of the radiation must be equal to the energy difference between two vibrational or rotational or